When I step into the brown of her eyes, I find the comfort of a friend sharing shelter when only a friend can know you. When I step into the brown of her eyes, she teaches loving through caring, snuggling softly in my heart, helping me to just feel good. When I step into the brown of her eyes, the mysteries are different from confusion. The illusions are handled by seeing through. Clearly there is life ahead. When I step into the brown of her eyes, brown earth color woman takes me into the secrets of her sighs, gentling me in a balance of passion. Smiling into eyes hungry for smiles, you take me where I want to be. You're my heart taker. You're a brand new day, bringing me in view of the sun. I see the sunrise in your laughter. I hear the forever songs in your kiss. I feel the future in your beating heart. I abandon loneliness for your embrace. You're my heart taker, come to take my heart before it fades away, blending into my dreams, showing me secrets of life, holding my